When the town of Minglanilla in Cebu province launched the government's COVID-19 vaccination rollout, the first to get a dose of AstraZeneca vaccine was Mayor Elanito Peña. He admitted getting inoculated ahead of the municipality's frontliners. Peña stressed he wants to set an example to his constituents who are afraid of being vaccinated. In a statement, Peña clarified that before being inoculated, he asked permission from his colleagues at the task force, which included doctors. Peña is similarly situated with Tacloban City Mayor Alfred Romualdez, who also got a COVID-19 vaccine. According to the palace, medical frontliners should be prioritized.
Hindi pa nababago po ang ating prioridad. Dapat medical frontliners pa lang po sa ngayon. So again po, ulitin natin, hindi po pwede magpabakuna muna ang hindi mga medical frontliners dahil kung susuway po tayo dito sa order of priority nito, maapektuhan po yung ating future deliveries galing po sa COVAX facility.
Meanwhile, Peña's photos showing the mayor getting the vaccine can no longer be seen in Minglanilla's official page. They have been taken down from the social media page because of the backlash.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.